She wouldn't take no for an answer. She absolutely refused to get off the phone unless I agreed to accept her medical malpractice case. You want to know why I told her politely that I couldn't help her and why I didn't think I was the right attorney for her? Come join me for a walk through the neighborhood as you hear the chickens and the roosters crow back here as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. Okay, so while this is great, the roosters are crowing, they're chasing each other, they're having a great time. So one day I get a call, and now this woman tells me that she has a fantastic medical malpractice case, and that I would love to take it on. She's telling me this. And now I begin to ask her a couple of key questions. I ask her, when did this happen? I ask her, where did this happen? I ask her what injuries she suffered as a result of the wrongdoing. And after learning these answers, I politely told her, I'm sorry, but I can't help you. And she said, I don't understand it. You're now the 6th attorney I've called, and I'm telling you, I have a great case. I said, well, that's very interesting. Why do you think all of those other attorneys, those other 5 attorneys, have turned you away, tell you that they could not help you? Could it be the fact that maybe your matter is not timely? Do you think that's possible? Well, yes, that's what they said, but I'm telling you, I have a good case. I said, you know what? You might be right. You might be absolutely right. Your doctor may have been careless. Your doctor's carelessness may have caused you injury. And in fact, your injuries may be significant and or permanent. That may be all true. But unless your matter is actually timely, it doesn't matter what happened to you. It doesn't matter what kind of case you had. Why? Because if you are untimely, I can't do anything for you. I can't help you one bit. The moment the time limit in which you have has expired, it doesn't matter what happened to you. It doesn't matter what outrageous conduct the doctor did to you. It doesn't matter what injuries you suffered. The reality is, I can't help you. And no matter how much you want to stamp your feet and throw a tantrum and argue to me that you have a great case, the reality is, I can't help you. And neither can the other attorneys who you called to claim that you have a valid case, a great case. They can't help you either. Because once it turns out that the time limit in which you have to file a lawsuit has expired, that's known as the statute of limitations, guess what? You're done. And I'm sorry, but there's absolutely nothing that I can do to help that or to change that. So, although you may feel that you have a valid case, although you may feel that the doctor's carelessness caused you significant harm and injury, unless your matter is timely, there's nothing that I or any other attorney in New York would be able to do. Which is why it is so critical that the moment you believe that something was done wrong and you suffered injury as a result of that, it is critically important to reach out to an attorney to determine how much time you have in which to file a lawsuit. Whether you do or not is not the point. The fact is it's important and incumbent upon you to help you understand whether or not your matter is timely. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it because I want you to hear the roosters and the chickens screaming and running around behind. No, I share it with you just to open your eyes, to help you understand how these types of cases work in New York. You know, I realize you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you are thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.